Hello everyone, hope you are well and had a great weekend. This is Crypto Mercy. Today we're gonna go over Elrond again. It's been a while, but a lot of things to watch and figure out when to buy. All right, cheers. But before the intro.
Thank you.
Let's go over the Elrond chart, and I've been talking about this in a recent video that Elrond was in an advanced stage of retracement than Bitcoin, and this is what happened. And now we are trying to find the top of this wave one, and I provided to my subscribers on Telegram the details before. Just want to show you because this is a wave 5 and want you to know how we can find those wave 5. The most probable target for a wave 5 was the 1.0, 1.618, but also the 2.618 is possible. And for that, we need to find our bottom of 2. This is the top of 1. Okay, and we are going to grab the bottom of 4, and by this it is providing us what you are seeing right there. Exact target, most probable, are usually the 1.618. It is where we are now for Elrond. If you asking me now, hey, Mr. Mercy, are we going to the moon? I'm gonna tell you the truth is that we probably found the top of this small wave 5 here, and I'm gonna show you this right here. And I explained that many times. And really easy to figure out those things, but you need to know that wave 5 can provide also 2 or 3 bearish divergence, but usually you will find that on the 4-hour chart. And now what the 4-hour chart is telling us is that we are having a new high, a higher high from here. But the RSI is showing something else. We are having a lower high, which means if you are using the divergence for many indicators and you just light it up, you will see that Elrond is making many bearish divergence right now, and on many indicator on the 4-hour, which mean on my side that I think that Elrond probably found is on small wave 5, and that Elrond will retrace in a second wave of the new cycle. And now the I've been telling everyone to accumulate Elrond since a month, and still have some people who are asking me if they should sell Elrond. And this is strange, appears to be strange for me, because they didn't want to sell there, but now that we are here, they're asking me if they need to sell. And when it's time to accumulate, they need to turn their mindset on the other side. I don't know, maybe they should just subscribe to my Telegram channel. They will understand a little bit better how it's working, because I'm explaining many things. Today I explained how to read candles. I explained how to play W pattern and M pattern. And anyway, I think now it is just a great time, and maybe one of the latest opportunity to buy Elrond at a lower price. But the things is that there's a lot of demand for Elrond right now, and it is possible that Elrond just gonna go. This is rare. I mean, I don't think this would happen because it doesn't happen often, but the most probable target for the next retracement of wave 2 should be the golden fib in between the 0.5 and the 0.618. We'll see, but they will push the price for sure. And also if Bitcoin is retracing at the same time, or I don't know, but anyway, Elrond doesn't care about Bitcoin right now. He's just you can see the market cap is growing, and I talk about this to my subscribers. There's a big difference between Cardano and Elrond. Elrond is having live products, and he's coming with an exchange in a couple of maybe weeks or days. And you have Cardano with a market cap of 45 billions and no product, nothing, just promotion by Coin Bureau and BitBoy. It's just incredible. Look at all the potential of Elrond. This is the most incredible gem under the top 50 in market cap. Just buy this retracement and give you a chance to buy some EGLD before it's over. And I've been talking about this since a while. We all know where circle fibs are bringing us in the last cycle wave of Elrond. Here also possible target, less probable, but the 0.786 and the 0.854, yeah, which mean very low probability that Elrond's going to retrace to 56, and I think we reached the bottom, and that if you're lucky you can get the eagle at 74 on this retracement. We will see, but when I give you those specific targets, you need to understand that you need to place your strategy and buying orders on every fibs, and don't put 95% of your capital on this fib when it's it is less probable. Also, this one here, if less probable, you have to adjust your strategy. Normally on a second wave, the golden fib is the best spot. You should allow a little bit more capital on retracement on the golden fib. Hope you understand. Hope I'm very clear. Okay, let's continue with a daily candle close analysis, because we had the weekly and the 2-week candle close yesterday, and those are very important. Let's figure out what's going on. I'm gonna make a copy of this. Okay, cool. The last weekly candle right here was a bullish engulfing, really good sign for Elrond for reversal and bottom. Also, we had we created a Twizzler bottom, and the bulls were able to defend, and the bears were not able to create a new lower low. And the bull pushed the price over the opening price and closed the price here much higher, and they were able to create a new higher high. And this is a very bullish sign for Elrond right here. And also 2-weekly chart is more important a bit than the weekly chart. It's the anticipation of what's coming next on the monthly chart. Also, this hammer here show a big support right there. Also created a Twizzler bottom right here. When Twizzler bottom is when you have a candle close and candle opening at the same place, and they are able to push the price over the opening price and close it higher, which create this support right here. This is a support, and this is a support. At the time when Elrond break this resistance, it became support, and now this line is new support, and it is possible that we're gonna retest it. We'll see. Now Elrond is starting to create on the monthly chart. 26 day left, it's just beginning, but now what we see is that they are trying to create a Twizzler bottom right here. And also the bears were not able to push the price lower yet, and now we are confronting this resistance up here, and we will see if Elrond is able to break this resistance. Very important here. We'll see, but it's very early to call the monthly reversal. All right, but we are having signs of reversal here. I mean, this is a reversal. A Twizzler top is a reversal pattern, and right now the trend is on the upside for Elrond on the 2-week and on the weekly chart. What about the moving average 7 and 9 that we are using to figure out if we are bullish or not? Now on the daily chart, we are having this moving average 7 that is over the moving average 9. And now the moving average 21 is turning on the upper side, which will provide a lot of support. And now 78.56, it is possible that they retest it, or maybe the MA7 and 9 will provide enough support. We will see. Those are probably very close to be Fibonacci fib. Let's figure out this. Let's see on yes, now we can see that the 0.5 will provide support for sure, and in between the 0.5 and the golden fib. On the log chart, not much here. Very good target here, the moving average 21 on this retracement, if Elrond is deciding to retrace a little, but not sure yet that Elrond is gonna stop his run right now. We will see, but what I'm seeing is that on the 4-hour chart we are starting to have many bearish divergence, which can anticipate a possible retracement for Elrond. Also, very important things to watch is the Stoch RSI on and the KDJ on. Those are trend indicators. On the weekly chart, what I want to see, would love to see, we had a bullish cross on the Stoch, but the Stoch is rising slowly, which is starting to be nice. But usually Elrond's gonna have much more strength if he's going over the 20, and now it's not the case, but still very strong anyway. And the KDJ is now crossing bullish. Very nice to see on the weekly chart. On the 2-week, bullish cross here, still monthly and 2-week are starting to reverse, but it is just the beginning right now for those time frames. On the daily chart, still bullish, and the Stoch is on the roof, which is cool. The RSI is over 60, which should provide more power usually, but it can be challenged by the bears, especially if we are starting to make bearish divergence. But we don't have bearish divergence on the daily yet. We only have bearish divergence on the 4 hours. And okay, very close to what the thing is that they can turn this wave 5 in wave 3 in continuation if they want. We will see what happened, but now the RSI is still rising, and Elrond is becoming more and more bullish. If we are looking at a MACD bullish cross on the 4 hour for sure. bullish cross on the daily chart. On the weekly, let's figure out. On the weekly, no bullish cross yet, but if you know, it's starting to turn from you know, Elrond is gaining more and more momentum on the weekly, and on the 2 week we don't have any indication yet. Anyway, Elrond is too young. All right, this is it for Elrond. I think it should answer all your questions, but what I can do is to provide you, you know, specific target if we are retracing from here, which I'm not sure yet, but with the bearish divergence I provide, you can see those bearish divergence on the 4 hour here. It is possible that it will just make a little retracement and go higher in a third wave. This is possible, you know. We think that this is a wave 5 right now because we have a bearish divergence, but if it turned out to be you know, a continuation of this wave 3, this is what we're gonna look at. If we are turning from here and retrace, the possibility is that one of the possibility, if we are coming back on the golden fit to grab the liquidity on this retracement, I'm seeing Elrond retesting the 162 lowest target that will be possible. Also 216 and 270 and $304 are specific possible target for this beautiful wave 3. And thanks for listening. Smash the like. Hope you love. Join us on the Telegram channel. You will love it. And I wish you a wonderful Monday. Thank you for supporting me and leaving very nice comments. Okay. Bye-bye.